stalking charges. I will go to prison, please, officer.
Is that the night she used to try and cut your tires in?
Yeah, but I knew it wasn't gonna work.
Do you see my door? That
Yeah.
he did to my door. This was self-defense.
Where's that coming from on your shirt?
On October 27th, 2022, deputies in Athens, Georgia responded to a residence already tied to an active protective order.
When did this happen? What'd she use? Okay.
Now look at it. I just got it. You know it.
What happened to the door?
Her, bro, chasing me. I don't have time for this.
Where's she at?
Upstairs.
Police department.
Damn, bro.
Come on down here and talk to me. I can see you standing right there. Come on down here and talk to me.
Then she gonna tell the operator I broke in, knowing you know I'll be here. Like y'all know I'll be here already. Like what the?
I'm not willingly going, so you're gonna have to come force me because on everything I love, I'm not willingly going.
I understand. Why am I here to take you to jail? I'm here to talk to you.
He has a TPO against me. That's the whole reason I went to jail was because of him right here.
The night ends with the correct person facing charges, but the process getting there raises at least 3 separate legal problems. The first problem surfaces within the opening minutes when the woman states, quote, "He has a TPO against me. That's the whole reason I went to jail," end quote. A temporary protective order, once issued under Georgia's Family Violence Act, creates a legal obligation independent of who provoked tonight's argument. Under Georgia Code Section 19:13(4), knowingly violating that order is its own criminal offense, regardless of fault in the underlying dispute.
Do you see my door? That
Yeah.
he did to my door. This was self-defense.
When I was in your car.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I had video.
I just got out of jail because of him.
I understand.
He came to my residence. My residence. This is my
If I
house.
have the text message of you invited me over here,
I
then I can willingly be here.
haven't done anything
What do you
wrong,
mean?
and I'm not willingly going to jail. You're going to have to force me.
Okay, miss, we're not even to that yet, okay?
No, but
Is-
that's how you're saying it. We're not even there yet, right? But it's
Well,
gonna happen,
it-
and I'm not willingly going.
This is your door, right?
This is my door.
Okay.
This is my house. This is my property. Everything here is mine.
Exactly. Is that blood on your shirt? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you cut anywhere?
I'm fine.
Okay. Do you need an ambulance?
I'm okay for now.
Okay. And you say for now, will you please let me know if you do need an ambulance? Okay. Thank you. What happened today?
Literally just woke up.
Okay. And then what happened?
Can you tell him to step
Yeah, if you'll just stand by your car, there's no officer who'll come talk to you in a second.
I have
Thank you.
video right here. We ain't
Okay.
gonna see it.
Would it be okay if I just stand at the bottom of the stairs so I can hear you?
Yes.
Okay. I'll stand right here, okay? What happened today?
We were arguing, and then I threw some things at him,
Mm-hmm.
and then he walked out. And why is he still walking? Like
He's okay. Will you just stand to the right?
nobody's trying to lie to the police.
Hey,
You're the only one.
don't worry about it.
You
Don't worry.
understand. The police. Oh, the police. Here.
I'm-
And I haven't done
Miss,
it.
I'm standing right here.
Officer.
I'm standing right here, and I'm only listening to your story, okay?
But he's gonna try and lie
I
and
don't-
twist it because he has videos. But I have videos too.
Okay. And we can work on that, okay?
Shut up! Nobody's talking to you, bro. I can't go.
You just, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on, okay?
Due to the paperwork, I am out on bond. I
Okay.
cannot go back.
I understand.
I cannot go back.
Okay. So what?
I will be facing aggravated stalking charges. I will go to prison, please, officer. I'm begging you.
All I know right now is that you're in your own place, okay? So what happened to your door?
He kicked it. He literally kicked it in.
Okay.
Down. I
Now-
don't know.
From the appearance, it came this way, so he was outside?
Yes, he
Okay.
was outside.
Was this before, during, or after your argument?
This was during the argument.
Okay.
And I had locked the door and went inside because he was gonna pull off. And then he got up and he kicked the door down.
Okay.
You guys doing all right today?
That's the nice thing trying to use to cut my tires.
She's trying to slash your
Yeah,
tires.
it's on the other side. You can see a little mark where she tried to cut it on the other side. Then she just broke the window.
The front tire? Is that from today too, or is that from last
remember
time?
that wasn't there last night.
I wasn't here last night.
She tried to cut my tires. I don't know, but it didn't work. I guess my tire too hard.
Yeah.
I ain't worried about that. It's just my window.
So she busted your window again today?
Yep.
Okay. I was out here a couple weeks ago, and I think she busted the back window.
It was all gone, remember?
You got it figured out?
Fixed.
You got it all fixed?
It again.
Okay. All right.
And what happened to his windshield?
I hit it with an umbrella.
Okay.
I truly did not mean to crack it.
Okay. And was this before or after he kicked your door in?
This was before he kicked
Okay.
my door in. And I understand, but he still had no right to do that. My mom literally just fixed this door from the previous time that he kicked it in. I can't go to jail.
I understand.
I can't go back.
I'm good if y'all talk to him over there. That way.
We can do that.
She's just getting upset every time she sees him.
Gotcha. Okay. Just set it. Yeah, set it right there. That's fine. Is that the knife she used to try and cut your tires in?
Yeah. But I knew it wasn't going to work. It's like a
Right.
kitchen knife.
So, here's.
And it's dents right there. You can see on the side.
I gotcha.
Then she trying to say I kicked in the door, but I'm already in the house.
Who kicked in the door?
That's what she telling him.
Well, but who kicked? If it wasn't you, who did it?
Did he spend the night?
Yes, he spent the night. But last night we got into an altercation and.
About what?
How did
ran into the door?
she ran into the door?
Yeah, me closing the door, trying to get away from him. She go crazy. Once she crazy, look, everybody knows I've been out here.
Oh, yeah, I've been out here once.
But
or
the only
before,
reason I did give her another chance is because she fixed my whole car completely.
Mm-hmm.
She fixed my whole window.
Right.
So I was like, okay, cool, you know?
Right.
You did good. Like, I'm not gonna try to take you to jail. You just gonna voluntarily fix it.
Right. So the
that's
question
what she
is
did.
how do we want to handle today?
If
what are we doing here?
voluntarily fix it, I'm not worried about it.
Okay.
That's all I want. All I care about is my car.
Right. I mean, it's a car.
Because I honestly can't remember at the moment, but my foot got ran over with the tire, with his car, and it hurts, and everything on my body hurts. I can't go to jail.
Okay. Well, I'm not worried about the jail. Okay. I understand. I understand why you would be okay. But obviously, my concern, standing right here, right now, is to figure out what's going on.
That's
So,
what
I'm
saying.
So is everything today just about the car? What are you guys fighting about today?
Bro,
What started all this?
Driving. She's mad she don't get to go with me. What type of is that?
Right.
So I just voluntarily want her to just fix my car. Other than that, I'm not tripping.
Okay.
So
she's done it before, right? She fixed the car before.
Fixed it. Yeah.
She fixed it.
That's why I believe her.
Oh, okay. Right.
Your injuries and things like that. Okay.
Oh no, and then y'all brought him. Oh my.
Well, this is his zone. I'm sorry.
I
This.
understand who he
Okay.
is. He's been there multiple. I cannot go back to jail. Officer, please, I can't go back.
But why'd you say that about me, though? I think
because you're a regular. You come on fair. You know what?
that's who I would want coming over.
Yeah, someone who knows the situation.
I mean, because I have a better idea of your mental situation.
Please don't send me back. I'm
Okay.
begging.
Well, what we got?
I cannot face those charges.
You talking about last time?
No, this time. These are from today.
They were just
So the dent's there, and then the busted window.
Before?
Yeah.
Yeah, but she fixed it.
She fixed the back one.
And then didn't I take you
It
to
did it
academy?
again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Did
what
it
are we
again.
doing?
She just
Why
did
is
it
this the
again.
same circle?
This is
Well,
not
she
good.
voluntarily fixed
All right.
it,
So
that's why I gave her that chance.
here's the thing: is how do we stop this?
I don't know
I mean,
how
Because
we
I mean,
can stop
between
her
the two
from
of
doing
us, this
that.
is the fourth time coming out.
This is the second time I know for a fact
I know for
in the
a
last
fact.
couple weeks that we've been out here for something similar to this.
Yeah.
Right? You can't handle it to keep living like this because that's taking a toll on you physically. Right? You see how that is? So that's what our bigger concern is. Last time it was because of your conduct. This time, if you're, let's figure it out. Let's talk about what the situation is. But here's the thing: at bare minimum, police were out here last night or not?
That had nothing to do with me. That they called.
Or Temple.
This, I mean,
I don't know.
this kind of, I mean, this relationship like this can't be good for either of you.
It's not.
Whose house is this? Is it your house or her house?
Nah, I don't live here.
You don't live here?
Nah, I live in.
Okay, so you don't live here.
Athens-Clarke.
So you stay here kind of thing?
No, I'm just over here visiting, like spend the night, and then
Okay.
I'll leave.
All right,
Like,
and you
know.
guys are dating, right? Okay. How long you guys been dating?
I can't even tell you.
Like
It's been a
years,
minute.
right? It's been a while, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So how'd the door get broken?
He tells me that if I'm not with him, he's just gonna press those charges. If I'm with him, he's gonna drop the charges and leave it to the judge. And there's so much stuff that goes into it.
I know.
And I
Well,
don't
there's
know.
and there's also.
I don't want to go to jail. I'm not meant for that.
How did this happen?
He kicked it in.
Why?
Because I was beating on his car because he wasn't leaving and I wanted him to leave, and then the window cracked a little bit. That was on accident. I truly did not mean to do that. And then I locked the door and he came and he busted it. He kicked it in. And he was trying to look for me.
I stay the night over here, so that's why I don't know why she be trying to flip the story when she knows she about to try to go to jail.
Right. Okay.
But like, bro, she just get crazy, and I be telling her like I don't even want you in jail.
Okay, just start from the beginning. Start with the door and or the car, whichever
We
one
woke
started
up.
first.
I was going to a job interview. She got upset because she said she wants to go, and I was like, nah, just chill, like. So then she tried to come run out to the car, and I was holding on the door like preventing her to come out.
Mm-hmm.
But then she ripped it. I don't know what the happened. The door came loose, so I just ran to my car, and that's when she got a chance to beat my window.
All right. So what she used to beat your window?
What did the window get busted with?
Umbrella.
I don't even know this time.
Okay. Where'd the knife come into play?
My tire.
At what point did she go back inside to get it?
Yeah.
Were you in your car, or
I was in my car.
you were in your
That's
car?
why I wouldn't worry about it.
Okay, so you were in your car. She tried to slash your tire with the knife. Okay. Is it just the dents there, the busted window, and then I guess she was trying to slash this tire here. I don't see any cuts in it. That's the knife she used up there. The little kitchen knife there. There's a couple of dents on this side over here.
Will you show me the dents?
Yeah.
Why do you have an interview today?
More money? I'm trying to get more money.
So here, this one here and that one there. Just these two, right?
Yeah.
These two?
Copy, thank you. And what are these from?
Her?
Like foot or?
Was it like foot, hand? Was she kicking it? How did she get?
How'd she cause those?
How did she cause those?
How'd she cause those? So what'd she do?
What'd she use
make
to?
those?
She was using some she found in the house. I just seen her beating on her car.
She was just beating on her car. Okay, not 100% sure.
Did you witness any of this?
No, I just got a phone call saying that our boyfriend had kicked in the door and beaten her half. So I came over here.
Okay.
That was all I did.
Yeah. What's your relation?
I'm just a friend of her mother's.
Okay. Okay.
That is it. I'm just a friend of the family.
I got you. Thank you.
You may want to find a new girlfriend, man. It's honestly,
She follows me around.
it's dangerous for your health and her health. This is not good. This is not good for either of you.
Right.
I mean, that's the decision you got to make. I can't force one or the other, but I mean, this can't be good for either of you.
What do you mean she follows you around?
She'll chase me around every time she see me.
Chase
Okay,
you
so then
around.
that goes
How
into a
so?
different kind of report. If you tell us that, then we can go on kind of.
I have before.
I mean,
And then they just keep telling me, oh, you gotta screenshot everything, you gotta record everything.
You do, or get a TPO. If you have a
You ever-
TPO and she's around you, then that's automatic for us.
that's different.
And I told you that last time.
I mean, that may be something you want to. If you want to separate from her, right, and you want to keep it separate, stay separated from her. You might consider doing that, right?
I mean, this is the second time your car's been damaged, but that's not the amount of times that we respond.
This is right.
Fourth time altogether.
Fourth time altogether that she's damaged her
That's enough
car.
for a TPO.
Oh, that's more than enough for a TPO. And actually, if you don't know how to file it and you want to file one, there's a group through O.C.G.A. that'll help you file it. I got a card in the car. I don't have any of the mini cards, but I've got one you can take a picture of if you want that. So
Don't just nod your head this time.
Yeah,
You gotta do
something, man. This is ridiculous. The fact that we have to come out here every time that she gets upset and she starts beating on your car, that's not good for her.
I mean,
It's not good for
She
you.
was having a mental breakdown and screaming. And that's why we got caught up.
Yeah. She threatened you with the knife or anything
Nah,
like that? She's just upset,
Nah,
yelling
she
at
was
you
upset.
and beating on the
Trying
car.
to get the tires. She never tried to like chase me with it.
Okay. She wasn't trying to hurt you. She just okay.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to be clear.
Trying to do that to me. She wasn't trying to stab me, nah.
I would hope not. All right.
No.
Let me get that for you. See, you got your phone on you?
Yeah.
Well, but I mean, this is stuff that you do need to hear. But I'd rather you hear it than experience it, right? Because the experience of it is painful. You know? Well, you're going to give yourself a panic attack. Remember when I said that, I've been to these calls before and where one person or the other ends up dead?
You keep coming back. I mean, I'm sure you guys are.
I came back this time because she paid for it. She
I know.
talked to my mom.
Uh-huh.
Apologize to my mom.
Right, yeah.
So that's why I was like, okay, cool. We take it slow, go back
Right.
into it.
And that's
Then it happened again because she
but
said
here's
she
the
was
thing
supposed to go to Advantage.
uh-huh.
She's supposed to take
Yeah.
medicine.
Right.
Hey, she was doing good.
Right, yeah.
You know?
Yeah, I don't think we can get back here in a couple weeks at least, but still. And then this kind of stuff happens.
Right.
So
I looked at the conditions. There's the umbrella. Is this the umbrella? Okay.
Me?
Yeah.
I was just seeing if you were okay. I heard her crying. Do what?
What am I supposed to do about my door?
You gotta replace it.
Well, yeah, but like I can't just leave my door open.
We'll see
like
if
my mama just fixed the door.
So it was like $34,000 car.
yeah, it's not cheap to get this stuff
Keep
fixed either.
damaging this.
So the windshield, most times your insurance will cover that to do that, and she can just pay the deductible if there is one. The dents, I don't know how that one works,
I don't know how that works either.
But at least this time it's just so it's just these two right here, right?
Yeah, it's just
today. Okay. Yeah, those are in there pretty good, man.
Out.
Well, not. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect. Just sit tight.
So the whole they can have consensual contact, that box isn't checked on the bond conditions. They're not supposed to have any contact whatsoever.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Like he broke it before and she just fixed it. Like it wouldn't close or lock or anything. She just got it to close and lock.
See if somebody can go get a door and or stay here while you go get a door. But I mean, we can't help with that kind of stuff. Quit freaking out about that right now. You're gonna make yourself free.
I am freaking out because if I go back, I get aggravated stalking charges and I am not going to prison for.
Okay, well then you have to stop getting in situations like these, Haley. See where we're coming from on that? It's not that we want to do that.
What does he say? I see him over here laughing because it's like a continuous thing for him still coming back over here.
Yeah.
She'll basically do this
I mean,
herself at whatever point.
He's trying to leave. She's trying to pull on the door. He's holding the door, and somehow or another that happened. And she.
Happened from two people tugging at the door.
I know.
We can't look at all the other stuff. We look at the destruction, the car, all of that, and that's how we determine things like that. Why would you get aggravated stalking if you went back today? With him? So
On my paperwork, if I
calm down. We're just talking.
if I go back out on bond, I will get aggravated stalking charges and I could end up in prison for a year to 5.
The third problem belongs to the man himself, who can be heard saying, quote, "I will be facing aggravated stalking charges. I'll go to prison." End quote. Aggravated stalking under Georgia Code Section 16591 is a felony, and it typically requires a pattern of contact after a protective order is in place. His own statement effectively corroborates the elements prosecutors would need: a subject aware of an active order still present at the residence it was meant to protect.
What does the bond say between the two of you?
No consent, or no, not consent, no,
Communication?
communication, like being seen together, unless it is consensual from him, unless it's like over the phone.
Okay, well he already told us that he said that he stayed the night here, or is staying the night here. Okay?
He makes me seem like the bad guy because of the stuff that y'all see, but he acts so different behind closed doors. Like,
Okay, well stuff like that would need to be video it if he acts like that.
I can't because he'll knock the phone out of my hand.
Okay, well then you make the phone call.
He's the only one that. But,
calm down, honey. Calm down.
He always threatens to call the police if I
leave
him or
Haley.
anything.
Haley, calm down. We're just talking. Calm down. So if that happens, Only communicate with him through text. Do that. That way it's in black and white. If he says, can I come over? You say no, and then he does come over, that breaks the bond condition on his half. That shows that you did not want him here, and he broke the consensual encounter with you. Okay? It goes both ways. It's not just you. You're not just the bad guy in the whole situation. It only is accepted if you invite him over, then we can't act on him being here. So it's not just because you're in trouble. That's not how that works. It's both ways. And then if he does come over and show up, you just call us. You don't let him in.
So much bigger than
Okay, so then let's work on getting a different situation set up. Let's work on a TPO or family. We have family protection centers that can help with that. So if it really is a you're scared of him factor or he's scared of you factor or whatever, let's work on a TPO between the two of you rather than just bond conditions, rather than just caving into the, okay, let's be together, and then this happens again. Sorry.
You're good.
And then this happens again. Does that make sense? So instead of just saying you're scared of him and then allowing him to still come over and then us ending up here, let's come up with a different solution. And I'm willing to help you with that, but we've got to come up with a middle ground.
She
Yeah.
has the panic attack to try to,
Yeah.
knowing that she could be in, like, she just started breathing and doing all that when she knew
She
that
induces
could
an
be-
asthma attack.
Yeah.
I have a whole pamphlet of things that I can give you if you really do want to try to get protection, whether the outcome of today isn't how you want to or not.
What's he saying about this door? Because that deadbolt is engaged. It's still open.
So, yeah. Then
Is he really trying to lie to y'all and say he didn't kick the
No, I just didn't hear what he said. That's why I was asking the other officer. Because I can see that this is engaged. This is locked.
yeah.
I can see that and I can feel it. That's locked.
Okay?
Can I get EMS to come check out my foot? Last night my foot got ran over by his car and it hurts so
Yeah.
bad.
Where's that blood coming from on your shirt? Do you have any idea? Was it there yesterday? Okay.
You want me to call EMS?
Do you have any open wounds or anything on you? You want me to come stand with you and just see? Okay. Do you have a hallway light?
It doesn't work.
Where's your foot hurt at?
It's just like
The top of it?
all of it. Like it hurts to walk on it. It hurts to like move my toes. It hurts to do anything with the foot.
Give me an honest answer. Is it from the cuts on your legs? Yes. When was that? When was that? So you tried to hurt yourself last night? Yes. Okay. No, don't freak out about that. That's something we can help with. Are there any other cuts?
No,
Is your finger bleeding?
it was.
Do you want me to get a band-aid or do you want to wait until EMS gets here?
I'd rather just have him.
Okay. Can you be honest with them about your legs and your arm, please?
Yeah.
Like you said, you're 17. In the same hand, you've got tons of time to keep going.
That's my brother. He passed away on Thanksgiving Day, and it's about to be the year that he's been gone. I don't know what to do.
Okay, so why don't you communicate that?
He doesn't care.
Okay,
He
so
broke up with me at his funeral. He made jokes about it when we saw his body in the casket.
where's your mom?
My mom is probably at her boyfriend's house right now. After last night, she was just kind of done with it. She just kind of like, okay, like,
What happened last night?
we just got to like an argument because I wanted him to leave, and he was just like arguing back and forth, and then he wouldn't give me my stuff, like my clothes and stuff, out of his car. And then when I punched his window.
Eventually, this gotta stop.
Right.
If she paid for this, we gotta agree to break up and be gone for good. Like, that's it.
So
Even if we're not together, I don't want her to jail.
So the
That's
police
the honest
helped you with that, and then the courts try to help you with that, right?
Yeah, but if I went to my insurance, she was gonna have to pay $1,500. But I
It's not an
just
insurance
found
issue.
something
It's a
to do
criminal.
with
It's
the
a
Yeah.
criminal
This
issue.
is not an
It's
insurance thing.
It's not. We're not talking about fixing windows. We're talking about somebody going to jail with a felony family violence charge that we had to fight right here in front of your very eyes, and then you voluntarily being back over here, and that being a violation of her bond condition. If she goes back to jail, how much of that can be included as being you're contributing to that?
All of it.
Maybe not all of it. She's the person that did what she originally did that got her in that position. The part of it, it doesn't have to be all of it's your fault. It could be just the part of you choose to be back over here.
You don't have to accept the invite.
Yeah, well, I mean,
Just because she
where are we
invited
at
you
with
over.
that? And the same thing will be said to her is that if you just show up over here, that she's welcome to call us and say, hey, this bond condition's in place. I'm not supposed to be around Donnell, and he's at my doorstep. The problem is neither one of y'all are doing that.
Layered on top of this is a genuine legal question of authority. Two occupants disagree about who controls this residence tonight. A federal case called Georgia versus Randolph speaks to exactly this kind of conflict. When co-occupants disagree, one party's physical presence and objection can outweigh the other's consent. Deputies never attempt a search here, but the same principle explains why they treat the woman's stated wishes about the residence as controlling, not the man's.
Because y'all think it's just, you know, oh, it's whatever, you know, what insurance matters, whatever you're considering.
All right.
It's not that, though. I mean, it's way beyond that. So, you think it's, you know, how much business do the police have getting involved in it every time and coming over here and doing all that like we had to do that? And I had to do that all the way out to the hospital.
Like, punched his window just to like get his attention, and then he ran over my foot with the car. And then she was just like, I'm done with this. Like, this has been going on for like a year and a half, and she just wants some peace in her house. She hasn't been able to grieve about her son because she's too worried that I'm either gonna die or end up in jail or vice versa.
Which, are you not afraid of that?
I am now that I'm old enough to go to jail because I went, and I don't wanna live that life. I'm supposed to be this successful one out of the family. And going down this road because I miss my brother and I don't know how to cope with it or deal with my emotions the right way.
Let me put this out there. It looks like the split between you and your mom is because of him, correct? The distance, yes?
She hates it.
So let's get him out of the picture so you have somebody to lean on to cope with. There's nobody better to cope with than somebody that also lost the same thing. You lost the brother, she lost the son. You've got to rely on that. You've got to lean on that. You have somebody here right now that got here almost as soon as we did. She cares about you. You have people caring, but you've got to get out of this situation because you're going to end up killing ties. Like your mom last night.
I already killed it. There's so many things that I've said to her out of anger.
But
I'll never be able to take it back, but I know that she replays it in her head over and over again.
Okay, but the best thing that you could do for her is to get out of this situation. And then you can work on fixing y'all's bond. That's how you fix this, baby. That's what you've got to do. You think she wants to hear her kid always hurt and always stuck? No, that sucks as a mom. But you're not willing to get out of it. Do you need me, Barbara?
No, I'm good. EMS is coming.
Okay.
If that means I have no problem paying for his window right here, right now. I just want to put that out there for you to tell your other officers I would pay that. Like, I just don't want to go back.
Okay.
It's depending on what you like. They have chicken, steak, and shrimp, or you can get all three. It's called a special. It comes on a bed of rice, and it comes with a side of cabbage and stuff. It's really good.
Okay, so it's like is it like
It's Mexican style, or is
it like almost like Oriental style type stuff?
Almost, yeah.
Okay.
I was 17 because it was literally like 2 days after my birthday that I got arrested.
For this stuff?
For criminal damage to property and the second degree and obstruction of the
Yeah, I didn't know that you flagged to fight.
That statement alone gives deputies a separate legal thread to pull entirely apart from the property damage allegation unfolding around them. The second problem is the door itself. The woman claims the man kicked it in while forcing his way back inside during the argument. Georgia's criminal trespass statute, Code Section 16721, requires intentional damage to property without consent. Intent is the operative word, and the deputy's follow-up question, whether the damage happened before, during, or after the argument, is not small talk. Timing determines whether this is impulsive damage during a heated moment or a calculated act tied to violating that existing order.
Don't fight us.
I know. I was just so angry because, like, when the officers came, they literally, like, did not even ask me anything. They just arrested me. They just tried to cuff me. And I was like, that's not fair. Like, you should...
Was there a witness?
No, I know that somebody called the police.
So if
But
there's
in
a
the
witness,
same
sometimes
breath,
it's
it was
different.
just like in the same breath when I went to jail for that, he busted my window too. My window had been busted for months now. But when I cracked his, he took a pool stick and he shattered mine too. And nothing happened to him. And it's just so annoying that
Okay,
he
so
just
you've
gets
got
away with this.
That's not entirely true. We've got to communicate that. And if you have any kind of text messages, videos, anything, people that see it, that needs to be communicated too, Haley. EMS is here. I'm going to go grab them for you, okay?
You guys been out here before?
A second, separate call later in this footage adds a fourth legal issue, a welfare check involving another woman, identified as Haley, with a visible foot injury.
What last night?
Yeah, last night they were, yeah.
It wasn't us that ran it, we heard it come out.
So just be aware that she can change her attitude at the drop of a hat.
Sure.
So just take it nice and easy with her.
Easy
She's
enough.
calmed down at the moment, so
She's sitting on the stairs because she can't walk down them.
Cool.
yeah. So she's at the top of the stairs there.
Haley, I can sit with you if you want me to, honey.
And we can help
Okay,
you down on that.
I'll stay with you.
That's no problem at all.
I got you too. You can bear all your weight, realistically, honestly. You're pretty small.
I go to the gym for something.
Oh, I don't go to the gym at all.
I don't know how it is in Georgia with the front windshield like that. I know in Florida, front windshield there's no deductible insurance-wise. Because it's technically required by law that you have a clean.
Not have hardwood.
Yeah. Hold on. You stay right there. Don't move. Just stay there. Stay there and don't say a word. Just stay there. Gotcha. Nice and easy. Here you go. Good deal. All right. Okay.
I'm just gonna put one seatbelt on you while we're moving, okay?
That way you don't get bumped around too much, okay? Just breathe. It's okay. Okay, I know. Hey,
I'm staying with you. I told you that.
we're right here, okay? All right? We're here to help.
Calm down, Haley.
Like I said, we're just gonna get in the truck and then we'll take a look and have a conversation.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right?
Get you away from everybody.
Let's get you sitting down, get you in there. All right? Okay. Let's get the foot checked out. All right, make sure everything else is good, okay?
Did you mention anything about running over her foot last
Nope.
night?
I don't know. I don't know about last night.
Okay, well, they just said it needs to be x-rayed.
Yeah. Hey, what happened last night? What happened last night with all this?
I don't know.
And
They said they got a call for, like, to check up on her.
Okay.
That's what they told me.
So were you?
She was kind of like,
I mean, was there like an argument and stuff like that last night too?
nah, that wasn't me. That wasn't nothing.
All right.
They told me they came here for a checkup, welfare check or something.
Okay.
That's what they
Everything was all right. Were you here that? Were you here when that happened?
Yeah.
Okay.
They was just checking up on her about, like, they said they got a call from a friend.
Okay.
About her stuff.
Right.
That's why they came.
So what happened with her foot? Do you know what happened? How that got hurt?
Nope.
By chance?
I wasn't down there. We couldn't find her. She wasn't in the house when the police came.
Last night?
Yeah.
Okay. What about? So any ideas to what?
I had to go get her.
Okay.
You may sit with. I'm gonna come on that side. Okay?
He ain't saying nothing about the foot from last night, or how the foot may have happened. He doesn't know how that.
I mean, that call came in. She told us it was just a welfare check, but even the neighbor said that she was out here hitting his car last night with a rod.
Okay.
I mean, I can't force
Because obviously that there's something going on with that foot. I can't tell what for sure there. If we don't go to the hospital and get it looked at, what's the actual plan for everything, right?
No, you're good. That's not even what we're talking about, Haley.
So, I'm not a cop. I'm not doing anything but take me to the hospital, okay? I'm here for you and your health.
The deputy's line, quote, "I'm not a cop, I'm here for you and your health," is doing real legal work, not just reassurance, end quote. A voluntary welfare check does not require Miranda warnings, and clearly stating that distinction on camera protects both the subject's rights and the deputy's own liability.
That's it. No one else. I'm here to take care of you. So whatever you need, that's what we're here for. We have nothing to do with them. As much as we like them, We ain't got nothing to do with him.
I'm just scared to leave because every time I go to the hospital and leave and he's still here, he goes in my house and he takes my things.
Okay, I'm gonna stand by until that door is replaced. Nobody's gonna go in there. He's being asked to go home. If that's your fear, that can be resolved easily.
I just don't want to go.
Haley, if we were going to jail, you would be in handcuffs right now. That is not the case.
There. All right. It's probably the best you're gonna get there. Come on out. And get
That's what it looks
without the frame. Actually,
Looks
gonna
like
replace at this point.
Get whatever while we're here.
Yeah, he's helping me wait.
That's
Yeah, I was
fine.
waiting.
You can go ahead now.
All right. So go get it now while we're
And
here,
then we'll fix that.
and we'll fix it back.
Make sure she's okay.
Take a hook.
Can she just tell her bye really quick?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm not gonna.
I don't want to touch it.
I got you.
But her door was already
No, I know.
so, like,
All right. Where's your stuff at?
upstairs.
Hey,
Look at your stuff. He's gonna get his stuff.
make sure it's just.
Yeah, I know. I'm going up there with him. Just make sure you don't take anything but your stuff.
Yeah, all I had was a couple pants and a shirt
Okay.
that I spent the night. That was it.
All right. So that's all you brought over was
None of
just
my
that.
clothes in here. Nothing
Okay.
else.
Hey, do you see her phone?
Yeah, it's right there. And her asthma pump. She gonna need that.
Yeah, you might need that.
The white one right
This.
There. Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Just in case.
If it got pumps in it, that's the right one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I was told she'll probably need that too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank y'all.
There we go. It's about as secure as I can get it. Yeah, it's gonna stay like that.
He's not getting charged with it? For picking it?
Can't. I don't know.
I don't see how it got broken otherwise.
Yeah.
He's not been pulling it.
A neighbor's account that Haley was seen striking a vehicle with a rock the night before introduces a fifth thread the footage never resolves. Deputies correctly declined to treat secondhand testimony as grounds for an on-scene arrest, prioritizing medical care over an uncorroborated property claim. That decision reflects the right hierarchy for a welfare check, even though it leaves an open legal question for another day.
Pulling it in and out.
No, that's not. And if he was, because he was saying that he was on the outside trying to hold it from her getting in, but at that,
she's broken the door before.
yeah.
Kind
So
of makes me think she would break it.
On grading, the responding deputies earn a B+. Injury and medical need were addressed before a single question about fault was asked. Their shortfall is evidentiary, not constitutional. No visible on-scene photography of the door damage is shown, which could weaken the trespass case later. The man ultimately booked on these charges earns a D+. His own recorded statements corroborate both the protective order violation and the stalking exposure. The woman in the first call earns a B-. She cooperated with deputies and clearly asserted her right to remain in her own residence. Haley, in the second call, also earns a B-. She accepted medical transport once reassured she was not under arrest, despite an unresolved allegation against her. The neighbor's account, while not independently verified here, illustrates why deputies should always ask whether third-party witnesses exist before closing out a domestic call. So what would you do if two people standing in front of you both claimed the same door, the same residence, was theirs to control? Number 1, a protective order violation is a separate crime from any new argument. Admitting you shouldn't be there is often enough to establish it. Number 2, timing evidence, before, during, or after a conflict, can be the single fact that decides whether property damage is criminal or incidental. Number 3, clearly telling someone a welfare check is not an arrest is not just kindness, it is a legally meaningful statement that protects everyone involved. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.